All right, so you use social media to your, well, I see it's about knowing why you're on social media. Once you know why you're on social media, then it's easier for you to know how to use it. So, for example, right, there's different social media platforms, and I'm sure there's going to be some that disappear and fade away, and different ones that continue to grow and evolve, right? So, what I strongly recommend is just learning, you know, what your true personal mission on earth is, aka your purpose, right? Once you understand and you know what that is, you will know exactly how to use social media for that, yeah? And obviously, the other part of social media is just connecting with people. But the point is, you want to get to a point where you're connecting with people, where you're able to meet with them and socialize with them, yeah? You don't necessarily have to keep it online, yeah? You can actually meet with them. All right, yeah, someone's going to be overseas and stuff like that. But then that's how you arrange when to meet up and all that stuff. Then do what's necessary. You feel me? But and how they can support you with what you're doing, you can support them with what they're doing. You feel me? So anyway, listen. There's two things you can do. Yeah. The first thing is, if you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Alkebulantrust, you will get access to online courses such as career and business, and that's where you're going to learn more information in regards to knowing exactly how to find out what your true personal mission on earth is, aka your passion or your purpose, so you know exactly how to use social media, yeah, to your advantage that's surrounding that. Also, another thing that you could do, which is another option, is click the link in the description box below. It says make a donation. The reason why it's to make a donation is because at the Alkebulan Trust, we are about rebuilding the infrastructure in Africa and the Caribbean diaspora. Alright? So, if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss on the videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know, the video you suggest might just be next.